This is KARL-JAMES Langford at the beach, at the Bendrix, and there she is. There's that wonderful footprint. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get my tape measure out and measure it for you guys. This is a video that I recorded for the museum, and if we get this out, this is live, so I'm going to get my tape measure out. So there we go, the internal digit. So I've measured this before as being 110 millimeters, and you've got the side ones 90. There you go. So to give you, I've done a few videos just specifically for the museum, so if you sort of sight that, so that's in your east, this is looking north. So what I'm going to do, museum people, anyway, this is me, KARL-JAMES Langford, so you can identify me. I'm the guy who causes lots of trouble in regards to our heritage and getting people to know. But anyway, let's go back to this. So it's been found by little Lily. She's only 5 years old, and her dad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can find the compass on here, and let's just see if we can do this. Oh, I'm just going to see if we can find a compass, and wouldn't that be great? So where is compass? I'm hoping I got a compass on you. Should be an iPhone. Oh yeah, we do. So that there, so if we got that there, we've got an idea that that's sort of north. So what did I say? I sort of said that's pointing north. Okay, so if we bring that up there, and so if we've got that there, so sort of we've got the north sort of behind me, so we've got this stone sort of, so give you an idea what's going on. It's really cold, so I'm doing my best. So as I said, so that's east over there where that stone is. So you've got the south, and you've actually got going over into the west, so sort of get a good idea. So guys, I've made a promise that this stone, that this footprint will be taken out the rock and it will go into the museum. I've made that promise to the people that found it. I want Lily's name on this for finding a 5-year-old, and just get it into the museum, and I just make me a promise to make sure that she does see this. Anyway, this is KARL-JAMES Langford, and this is, I forgot what day it is. It's 4:17. It's getting cold. I gotta go, and it's I don't even know what date it is, guys. It's Sunday anyway, Sunday the 24th. Anyway, so just, yeah, there it is. And just to give you a bit more context, so we've got the shelf there which is coming down. We've got this cutting behind here, Second World War cutting, and we go down, so we've got this. So yeah, so there it is finally again. So I'll give you some more orientation, and there it is. And we've got some nice bedding planes actually. I think we do. So maybe that won't be too difficult to get out. Anyway, take care guys, thank you very much. It's KARL-JAMES Langford, Archaeology Cymru, and yeah, let's just do this.